You see kitabun in the book, but your Arab friend says kitab. Why does the ending sound disappear? You're not alone. Every learner gets stuck here. Today, the secret of ending sounds. Watch till the end, you'll never be confused again.
This is called Pausal form. Every native speaker does it. Repeat with me. Heya bina.
The word masjidun is written with a un at the end, but when I stop, I say masjid. Show me.
Written form with the last vowel. Masjidun. Masjidun. Now the spoken form when you pause. Masjid. Masjid. Repeat the spoken. Masjid. Jamil. The final un disappears when you stop.
What about a word like kitabun? Same rule?
Exactly. Written, kitabun. Spoken stop, kitab. Say the spoken. Mumtaz. Any word ending with un, in, or an loses that vowel when you pause.
I see hada masjidun jamilun, but my friend says hada masjid jamil. Both endings drop?
Exactly. Let's hear the written sentence with full vowels. هذا مسجد جميل. هذا مسجد جميل. Now, the natural spoken way, pausing at the end of each word. هذا مسجد جميل. هذا مسجد جميل. Repeat the spoken.
Mumtaz. The last vowel of every word disappears when you stop. What about a sentence with different case endings, like رأيت مسجدا? رأيت مسجدا. The last word ends with n. Spoken stop. رأيت مسجد. Same rule. The n drops. Repeat. رأيت مسجد. جميل. Whether it's nominative un, accusative an, or genitive in, the ending vowel always disappears when you pause. So, in the Quran, do we also drop the vowels?
No, this is the big secret. In Quran recitation, you do not drop the last vowel when stopping. You keep it, with special rules called waqf. But in daily street Arabic, you drop it almost always. Same writing, two different sounds.
Can you give me a Quran example?
In Surat al-Ikhlas, 112 verse 1, written, Kul huwallahu ahad. When recited in Quran, you say the last vowel, ahadun, with the un. But in daily talk, you'd say, Kul huwallahu ahad, dropping the un. Listen to the difference. Quran style, ahadun. Daily style, ahad.
Let's test you. I'll give you a written word. You say the spoken stop version. Ready? First, kitabun. Your turn. Correct answer, kitab. Second, madrasatun. Notice the feminine atun becomes in stop. Written, madrasatun. Spoken stop, madrasate. The ta becomes ha, and the vowel drops. Say it. Madrasate. Jamil. Feminine words change the ta to ha in pause. So now you know the secret. Written vowels are for grammar. Spoken endings are for ease. That's why textbooks can't teach you how people really talk. Practice with us. Write any Arabic word in the comments, the written form and the spoken stop form. We'll check them. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who struggles with Arabic endings. إلى اللقاء. Shukran. See you in the next video.